The assumption machine in business, your assumptions are everything. Get them wrong, and you fail. Get them right, and you have a real shot. Hope is not a strategy. Gut feelings are a liability. Today, we're not talking about feelings, we're talking about math. This isn't a simple calculator, it's an assumption testing machine. It's designed to do one thing: show you the direct financial consequence of every decision you make. It all boils down to 4 numbers: payback, annual profit, 5, year ROI, and margin. This is your dashboard. The calculator has several levers you can pull. The most sensitive one is cups per day. This is your location. Get this wrong, and nothing else matters. This is where the analysis from episode 2 pays off. The next 2 levers are your unit economics, price and cost. The spread between these two is your gross profit per unit. This is the fundamental engine of your business. The rest of the inputs, deployment cost, labor, utilities, are there to build a complete, honest picture of your profit and loss. The calculator has 2 modes. Investor mode is for building a new business from scratch. It's about profit and return. Procurement mode is for replacing an existing service. It's about cost savings and efficiency. Choose the mode that matches your objective. But the real power isn't just in the final ROI, it's in the comparison table at the bottom. This is a live profit and loss statement that pits the automated model against a traditional one, using your exact assumptions. It's designed to show you times why times the numbers are what they are. And the why almost always comes down to one line item: labor. Look at the delta column. This is the financial impact of removing the single biggest operational cost from the equation. This isn't magic, it's just better math. That labor savings flows directly to your margin. The comparison table proves it. With the same revenue, the automated model is structurally more profitable. This isn't an opinion, it's an accounting reality. Now, how do you use this tool strategically? First, use it to negotiate. When a landlord asks for a high rent or a percentage of sales, plug their number into the calculator. It will instantly show you the impact on your payback period. You can show them the data. It changes the conversation from "I feel that's too high" to "that rent reduces my margin by 8% and extends payback by 6 months." Second, use it to vet locations. Don't just look for foot traffic, model it. What's the minimum number of cups you need to sell per day to hit your profit target at that location? The calculator will give you a hard number. If you don't believe you can hit that number, walk away. It's that simple. Third, use it to fundraise. When you talk to investors, they don't want stories, they want models. This calculator lets you export a clean, professional PDF report for any scenario. You can walk into a meeting with 3 different projections: conservative, realistic, and optimistic, and defend every number. It shows you've done your homework. A final piece of advice: don't use this tool to confirm what you want to believe. Use it to challenge your own assumptions. Find the breaking point. What's the lowest price you can charge? What's the highest rent you can pay? What's the absolute minimum daily volume you need to survive? Know your numbers cold, because the person who knows their numbers is the person who wins. Go build yours. Visit beverageautomata.com to access the calculator.